નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 6, subject is Social Science and chapter number 11, Landforms.
Now our topic is plane. So what is plane? Level land or flat land at the height of less than 180 meter above the sea level is known as the plane. So here plane means less than 180 meter, less than 180 meter. So that one is known as the plane. And most of the plains in the world are formed by the alluvial soil deposited by the rivers. Now also we know what is the alluvial deposited, that one. So alluvial soil, that one is more fertile and it is most of deposited by the rivers. Apart from the rivers, some of the plains are also formed by wind, volcano and glaciers. Glacier. So what is glacier? Glacier means himnadi, which known as the slowly moving mass of ice. It is melted from the ice, so that why it is known as the glacier. So land, level land or flat land, that one is height is less than 180 meter, that one is known as the plains. And that one is also most of the alluvial soil is fertile by the river, and most of the that one plains are formed by volcanic and wind and glacier. Glacier means a slowly moving mass of ice, means himnadi. So classification of plains, there are three type of plains. First one is coastal plain, second is erosional plains, and third one is depositional plains. So first we learn about the coastal plain. Coastal, we heard this word many times. So what is coastal? Means at the sea, at the beach. So that one is coastal. Such plains, that one is structural plains. Such plains are mainly formed near the seashore. Also we know what is coastal area. Coastal area means seashore. That one when the end of continental part of the land near the seashore is uplifted due to the geological movement, these plains are formed. Such plains are known as the structural plains, and these type of plains are often found in the coastal region. Plains situated in the southeastern part of United States of America, means USA, and that one is spread up to the Gulf of Mexico. It is the best example of coastal plain. That one is an erosion which occurs in the bottom of land creates such plains. So plains in the center of Australia is also formed in the same manner. So same thing is also in Australia. So what is coastal plain or structural plains? Such plains are mainly formed from the near to seashore. That one is known as the coastal plain, and also it is known as the structural plains. So when the continental shelf near the seashore coast, it is uplifted due to the tectonic movement of the earth, means something there is a movement under the earth or up the earth. So that one is the resultant, means that one result is landform. That one is known as the structural plain, or otherwise is also known as the coastal plains. So that one is the best example of coastal plain. That one is the plain formed near the Gulf of Mexico. That one is the best example of coastal plains. Now second is erosional plains. Second is erosional plains, and first we understand what is erosional. Erosional plains means erosional is the geological process in which earthen materials are worn away and transported by natural force such as wind or water, and most of the erosion is performed by liquid, water, wind or ice. So first we understand what is erosional. Erosional plains means geological process in which earthen material are most of the way and transported by the natural forces. That one is known as the erosional plains, and most of this one is wind, water or that one in form, and most erosion is performed by liquid, water, wind or ice. So if it is performed by ice, so it is also known as the glacier. Glacier means the water of ice. When ice is melted, that one is form of a river. So that one is known as the glacier. Process of erosion goes on continuously on the surface of the earth over a long run of time. Such plains are formed due to the erosion which occur in the mountains and plateaus because of natural factors like river, wind and glacier. Glacier means himnally, most of the liquid form of ice. That one. These type of plains are not completely flat, but they are seen between hills or solid rocks. We can see only in the solid rocks or hills. Plains of Canada, which are very famous, plains of Canada and western Siberia are formed because of erosion, and plains built by the erosion are also known as otherwise it is called as the plain. So here we understand what is erosional plains. So now next one is depositional plains. What is depositional plains? So alluvium deposited by rivers, glaciers, winds. That one is also known as the depositional plains. So here giving the importance of plain. So what is the importance of plains? Most of the plains are very fertile and therefore ideal for agriculture and human settlement. Some of the earliest civilizations of the world developed on plains formed by rivers. Even today also, plains are most densely populated region across the world. It is easy to construct network of the roadways and railways on plains because of their level surface. Here it is giving the importance of plains. So now next one, third one is depositional plains. This type of plains is formed because of alluvium deposited by rivers, glaciers, wind, etc. in the lakes or seas. Such plains are also called depositional plains and also called riverine. That one plain is also known as. And river plains of Ganga Yamuna in India, Huanghe plains in North China, Lombardy plains formed by Po river in the Italy. They are the unique example of alluvial plains. When plains are formed with the depositional of alluvial in the lakes, then they are called lake fields. Kashmiri Valley is an best example of lake field in India. So in India also we have many depositional plains. These plains most of we can get full alluvium deposited by the rivers. From the rivers we can get alluvium soil and also from glaciers. Glaciers means liquid form of ice water, and that one wind also. The lakes or seas also from we can get alluvial soil from the river. Such plains are also called depositional plains and also called as the riverine plains. The other name is also riverine land. River plains of Ganga and Yamuna, it is in India. Huang, that one is North China. Lombardy, it is in Italy, and also the unique example of alluvial falls. That one is the best example. When plains are formed with the depositional of alluvial in the lakes, then they are called lake field. Kashmiri Valley is an example of lake field in India. So in India also Kashmiri Valley, that one is the also best example of depositional plains. For depositional plains, we can say that depositional plains are formed into two ways. First one is alluvial plains and second is lacustrine plains. First, alluvial plains we learned in the lesson. When a river is flooded, the alluvium brought by the river is deposited on the both bank of the river. Thus, alluvial plains are formed. The Ganga Yamuna plains of India, Huangho plains in North China, Lombardy plains formed by the Po river in Italy are the best example of alluvial plains. But second is lacustrine plains. Some rivers meet lakes. These rivers deposit there the sediment, soil, sand, etc. So that one is in the lakes. So the lakes is gradually filled and due to the course of time, a plain is formed which is called lacustrine plain. It is also formed which is called as the lacustrine plain in the Kashmir Valley and Imphal region of Manipur state in India have lacustrine plains. In short, when the river meets the sea, it deposits abundant of means unlimited alluvium near the coastal area, and due to its slow flow, the plain thus formed is called delta plain. You also learn what is delta plain in 4th or 5th standard. When the wind deposits the soil and sand, particles means small pieces brought with it are obstructed, or if the velocity of the wind reduce a depositional plains is formed, it is also known as the loss of plains.
Thank you for joining us.